intermediate, advanced tap routine, so feel free to slow it down or speed it up.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. From there, you're going to shuffle and cross that foot. Shuffle, toe, heel. You're going to stand, and then you're going to clap. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, toe, heel. Shuffle, toe, heel. Shuffle, toe, heel. Stand, clap. One more time, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're going to do a flap cramp roll. So you're going to flap that front foot, flap, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 are the counts. From there, you're going to heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, and clap again. So that second count of 8 goes 1 and 2. Let's go ahead and piece that together. 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Ball, lap, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, now from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right, let's go ahead and move on. From there, you're going to pop, brush, pop, spank, pop. You're going to scuff, heel. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From there, you're going to do 3 flap heels. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. One more time, that count of 8. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. From there, you're going to shuffle, shuffle, toe, heel, heel, toes. All right, one more time from that shuffle. You go and 2 and 3 and 4. From there, you're going to shuffle, pick up, 5 and 6. You're going to jump out 7, bring it in on 8. So let's piece that together from the beginning, nice and slow. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, shuffle, pick up, in. All right, let's go ahead and try that facing the back. Nice and slow again. 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Grapevine. You can either do it with a pickup or without. So without a pickup will look like this. Shuffle, ball change. And with a pickup, we'll go shuffle, pickup, ball change. From there, you're going to ball change again and this stand. So once again, 7, 8, you step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From there, you're gonna shuffle, you're gonna do a scuffle, which is a scuff, spank, and then you're gonna flap, heel. So that whole 8 count, 6, 7, 8, you step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, shuffle, scuffle, flap, heel. From there, you're gonna bring your toe back behind you, 1 and 2, hold 3, you're gonna ball change on, and 4. From there, you're gonna scuff, heel, spank, heel, scuff, heel, slap. And that finishes our choreography. So let's go ahead and do those last 2 counts of 8 nice and slow. You step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shuffle, scuffle, flap, heel. Toe, toe, drag, hold, ball, change, scuff, heel, spank, heel, scuff, heel, slap. All right, let's go ahead and piece that together from the very beginning, nice and slow. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shuffle, pick up, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shuffle, scuffle, flap, heel. Toe, toe, drag, hold, ball, change, scuff, heel, spank, heel, scuff, heel, slap. All right, and facing the back, nice and slow once again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. All right, let's go ahead and do it one more time, a little bit faster before we piece it together with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and facing the back, nice and fast.
'Cause make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep up with our new videos every week.